Good evening and welcome to 200forexwebs.com. I am here with the final analysis of 3rd of January 2018. So guys, this analysis is about the full day trading. Okay, now guys, let's get started with Euro USD. This is the report that I have sent to the subscribers in the morning. So Euro USD with a bearish expectation from 113692 and the target price was 113127. However, the target price is not met, but we can see that Euro USD has gone down for 3 hours. So if you have caught the scalping profits during that time period, then you must have caught the profit because it was a very easy signal with no problems. Okay, now let's talk about the second signal of the day. That's New Zealand USD. I'm going to switch my chart to New Zealand USD, and you can clearly see New Zealand USD has moved up from 0.66344, that was the entry level, and 0.66693 was the target price. And you can see clearly we have seen an upward trend on New Zealand USD today, and that was the full day trading signal by 200forexwebs.com, and hopefully all subscribers must have made the profits. Okay, now let's talk about the recovery that we have seen on pound. The third consecutive signal that we have hit as per the signals report is Great Britain pound USD with a bullish expectation from 1 to 5640, and however the momentum was a bit slow on Great Britain pound USD, but if you have traded as per our recommendations, then it has moved up. So guys, if it continue the bullish activity like this, then it can went up to 12700. Okay, now let's talk about USDCHF. Okay guys, a bullish signal was supplied in the form of USDCHF through 098548 was the bullish entry. And guys, currently you can see where the market stands. The market has moved up. 098898 is the target price. However, the market has not met the target price till now, but overall we have moved already up so much on USDCHF. Okay, now let's talk about the drop that we have seen today, and this free signal was also provided in the free section of the Telegram channel. If you search 200forexwebs on Telegram, then you will be able to find one free signal each day. Normally I try my best to post each day, but sometimes I also miss. But this is the drop that I was also predicted on Telegram as well as in my full day trading report. 136255 was the entry, and 136028 was the target price. However, the drop is bigger and it has went up to 135 level. So guys, I congratulate all traders who have taken the massive profits today on USD Canadian dollar. At next, I'm going to talk about the Great Britain pound JPY. A bullish trend was supplied from 134568 and 136722 is the target price. However, like Great Britain pound USD, the momentum is not very much fast. So we have seen the upward trend and we have profited from it, and hopefully you people must also have profited from this move. At last, I'm going to talk about EURJPY. So guys, simply a bullish signal was supplied from 1 to 1903 and 1 to 3764 is the target price. The momentum was not very much fast, but however we have caught the trade and we have went into a very massive way. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis about the full day trading. Okay, moreover, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Sell in the top red boundary with confirmations. Sorry, the scalper is not attached. I'm going to attach the scalper here so that you can understand that what the scalper stands for. Look, today if you look at here, we have taken the buy signal also. We have also received a buy signal on 3rd of January in the form of white arrow, and then Euro USD has moved up. So whenever you see that the market is getting the rejection from the top red boundary, and if the red signal also appears, then you can sell the pair is down. And when it goes into the lower red boundary, and if you see that the market is making the bullish pattern, then you can buy the pair, and this is how we use the trading system. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexwebs.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders, and do not forget to subscribe us on Telegram channel. Thank you for watching the video.